Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Team Charter School in Stockton, California, home of the Titans. You see on the wall here in the cafeteria where we had 3 separate assemblies again today. This is my 4th visit to their campus over the last couple school years. Today's focus, though, was on leadership, right? Turning our passion into our purpose. And so the big thing that we talked about is, whatever our skill set is, our talents, our gifts, our abilities, that we can already be using those at a young age to start making a difference, right? Turning our passion, what makes us come alive, that fire in our hearts and our bellies, to turn that into basically your purpose, which is why you're here even on this earth. And to already get the wheels turning, even, TK, kindergarten, all the way through 8th grade, the adults that we saw today too, the students and staff, they really took that to heart. And the shirt that I wear for this assembly, this one right here is the peace sign, also in the shape of a heart, because that's where our passion begins, right? But also different colors, because there's so many different ways to be a leader. Some of us are more emotional leaders. We kind of, lead with our voice. We're very vocal, like myself, I talk a lot. Some of us are more quiet leaders, right? Have that quiet strength. We lead by example. There's no right way or wrong way to be a leader as long as we're doing something positive for this planet. And this world needs a lot more positive leadership. And that's what I kept trying to push through the different hand motion raps we did with some of the younger students, the Be a Leader rap with the music video at the end, the Passion Alive rap, for the middle schoolers, just really talking about things that we want to be remembered for, and that's our legacy. And hopefully we want to be remembered as somebody's helping hands, the bowling ball versus balloon example that we always bring up in this particular program. The balloon doesn't really have that backbone or the strong character or foundation when it comes to character traits or principles or values, but the balloon is solid, right? And anything that happens in life, any life's challenges, difficult times, we're gonna keep moving past, right? That negative peer pressure, we're not gonna let it affect us either, right? Because we have that courage to stand up for what's right. And we're doing things for the right reasons too, right? Not just for the trophy or to get paid or, a plaque on the wall or a certificate. We're doing it because it's heavy on the heart, right? And to know that we can do the right thing as well when no one's watching, when no one's looking, that's what we really try to instill. There's a couple motivational videos I played as well, some picture slides that reinforced some of the heart-touching stories from students that I've interacted with across this country, some of my friends, some stories on the news. We also had the physical props to back that up to the visual aids. But all this combined, I think really did hit home with a lot of students come up to me after and just said, what you shared really touched my heart. When I really think about what you said, the seeds have been planted for, some people too, to hopefully say, look, I can already make a difference. And, like the starfish example, it's just, if it makes a difference to this one, every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. So keep the priorities in line, people first, our passions, family, friends, all that stuff, goals, dreams first, and then things second, right? Thanks again for touching my heart. Have a great rest of the school year if I don't see you till next. But again, thanks for, again, just really leaving an impression on my heart. This is the school I've been to the most here in Stockton, California, and always love coming back to visit. So thanks for welcoming me. And as always, if you'd like to hit the subscribe button, you'll see pop up on the screen. You can do that. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.